Okay, this is solving literal equations. So these are called literal equations because there is more than one variable, and there are really we're not looking for a variable in terms of a number that it represents the variable. Okay, so for the first one, we are going to solve for h. Okay, I have a equals 1/2 b times h. You'll notice that this is an area formula. And so if I want to get h all by itself, well, the first thing I notice is this 1/2 here, all right? And that is a problem, isn't it? So I need to get rid of that 1/2. And in order to get rid of it, I have to do a special thing called multiplying by the reciprocal. The reciprocal is when you take the fraction and you turn it upside down. All right. Now, in effect, what happens is the 2's cancel here, and the 1's cancel there. And so all we have left on this side is just b and h. Now, what do we have on the other side? Well, 2 times 1, or 2 over 1 times a, that 1, I mean, we really don't need it there. It's really just representing the number 2, right? So what we're really saying is 2a equals b times h. I need to get h all by itself. So in order to get h all by itself, the b and the h are glued together right now. There's no sign in between them. That means that multiplication is happening. So I have to do the opposite of multiplication, which is division. So I divide by b. Now if I do it to one side, I have to do it to the other side, right? And then really, I'm getting rid of those b's. They're canceling out. So what I have left is 2a over b equals h. And there's my answer. All right, let's try another one. abx minus d equals 5d. Okay, so the first thing I see is that minus d, and I say, oh, I can get rid of that really easily. I can add it, right? I'm doing the opposite. It's a negative d, so I am doing positive d. And I'm adding it over here too, because whatever I do to one side, I gotta do to the other. So I have abx all left. And 5d plus one more d is 6d. All right? Okay. Oh, I didn't tell you what I'm solving for. I'm solving for x. Okay. So now I look a, b, x, they're all together. Well, if I divide by, let's say, b, then I'm going to have to divide again by a to get them alone. So actually, the trick here is that you can go ahead and divide by a and b all at the same time. And if you do it to one side, you do it to the other side. So x equals 6d over ab. And that's how you work with literal equations.